G'day, Josh Giumelli here from Clendon Group's Farming Ahead magazine, and we're back in the workshop today thanks to Hare and Forbes Machineryhouse. And I thought I'd talk about something that's pretty handy to have on hand in any workshop, and that's gasket paper. Now, there's no reason why you can't make your own gaskets, and it certainly helps if you're caught out short. You know, you're replacing a thermostat in an engine, or you know, you need a water pump gasket in a hurry. This stuff's pretty cheap, and all you got to do is cut it out. I'll show you a couple of quick tips for cutting it out. Say we want to make a gasket for that. It's all pretty easy. The tried and tested way typically was to get the hammer, some gasket paper, and start hitting around the edge. Now, you can use this just to mark the paper, or if it's got a reasonably sharp edge, you can go the whole hog. Cut the entire gasket out with a hammer. There's a little bit extra there. There we've got our gasket, and the next thing to do is the holes. So if you're careful, you can often cut them out with the ball end of the engineer's hammer. Of course, I'm doing this in a bit of a hurry. Break those out, and there you've got your gasket. There are a couple of other ways though to get the holes. That tends to be the tricky bit. Now, if you've got a set of these are hollow punches. These are absolutely fantastic. Bang, cut the hole out, away you go. There are a couple of other ways you can do it. Coach bolt works pretty well. So imagine if we had just cut this gasket out and you would place the coach bolt over the hole, hit down, there you go, job done. And another way, if you've got a couple of large size ball bearings kicking around, that works quite well as well. There you go, nice neat hole. And I'll quickly show you a couple of other ways you can mark this out if you need to. Just grab like a black texter or something. Sometimes some components, they don't have a nice sharp edge, so that does make cutting the gasket on the actual component a bit tricky. So you can just colour in where you need the cuts to go. And basically place your paper over and transfer the mark. Turn it over, and yeah, you should have a good enough mark there to cut that out with a pair of scissors. Thanks for watching.